Hello viewers, a lot of users actually want to buy Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 AP Plus, but unfortunately there is no deal on this tablet, so a lot of users want to know about the best times and best price of this product. It is a mid-range tablet from Samsung. It comes with 12.4 inches display as it has a WQXVGA LCD display. The display quality is excellent. You can enjoy your multimedia content on this tablet in YouTube and many other OTT platforms. You can play 1080p 60 fps video. However, if you want to play 4K 60 fps video, in that case you may feel some stutter and lags as the screen size is bigger. Note-taking experience on this tablet is very good. I have made a dedicated video on note-taking experience. So if you want to know about the note-taking experience, watch that video. The link is in the description below. Plus, S Pen comes free of cost inside the box, so you don't have to pay any extra amount in order to have the note-taking experience on your tablet. The battery backup of this tablet is also very good. It comes with 10,000 plus mAh battery and the battery lasts up to 10 hours screen on time on a single charge. Plus there is a support for 25 watt of charging. But the processor of this smartphone is not so good. It comes with Exynos 1380 processor, which is a mediocre processor. So if you want to compare this with iPad 10th generation, in that case you can see that iPad 10th generation is a way better in terms of processing power than this tablet. So if you are a gamer or if you want to edit videos on your tablet, in that case you should not buy Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 AP Plus. Many users want to know the best price of this tablet. Actually, during Big Billion Days sale, many users bought this device at around 22 to 23,000 rupees, but I don't think you will get that pricing in the upcoming sale. So if you get this device at around 25 to 26,000 rupees, you can buy the 128GB Wi-Fi version. In the upcoming sale, I don't think that you will get much discount on this tablet, so you have to wait for the Republic sale to get a better discount on Tab S9 AP Plus. Also, if you want to buy any other tablet, you have to be ready at the time of start of any sale so that you can get the best deals and discounts on a tablet. Now let me know if you want to buy Tab S9 AP Plus or any other tablet, and if you have any questions regarding this tablet or any other tablet, feel free to ask me in the comment sections below. I will try to answer those questions to the best of my knowledge. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.